Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and today we are making soft pretzels. Germany is known for their soft pretzels, so I specifically used a German recipe, and I hope that you love it as much as I do. Let's get started.
First off, our ingredients. We need 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2/3 cup or 150 milliliters of water, 2/3 cup or 150 milliliters warm milk, 4 cups or 500 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 cup or 50 milliliters melted butter, large grain salt, 3 tablespoons baking soda. Mix the warm milk, yeast, and sugar and 2 tablespoons of flour in a small bowl. Mix it together. Cover and allow to rise for 15 or 20 minutes. Then add flour to a large mixing bowl. Make a well in the middle. Add the yeast mixture. Mix it through briefly. And add the melted butter and salt and mix it through. The mixture will be quite thick. Add the water slowly to the mixture until it comes together in a soft dough. You may not need all the water. Knead it when you can no longer stir it. If you accidentally add too much water, add a bit more flour until you get the right consistency. And knead for a few minutes. Cover and allow to rise for 30 to 45 minutes. Then knead briefly and split or cut into about 10 pieces. Then take each of the pieces and knead them. And roll them into a long snake, at least a foot or 30 centimeters long. The way you do this is to start in the middle and work your hands toward the edges until it gets long enough. Then make a loop and twist the tips together. Fold it over and pinch the edges in the middle. Set them on a baking sheet to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make all of the dough into these shapes. Then take a liter or about 4 cups of boiling water and put it in a large bowl. Add the baking soda to the near boiling water and mix it until the water looks clear again. Place the pretzels in the baking soda mixture and allow it to sit for about 30 seconds. Remove it from the water and back to the baking tray, and sprinkle them with coarse salt. Or, if you'd rather, you can add a cinnamon sugar mixture instead of salt. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. These soft pretzels are soft and lovely on the inside, and the crust is thick and chewy. Lovely. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.